morning, guys. It is May 27, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy. Got a couple of zone dampers, zone damper system, and he says the fan's running all the time in the system. They can't get it to shut off, and there's some kind of code blinking in the zone control relay. We'll have to go by there and see what's going on with it. It's supposed to meet me there. Who knows? Maybe it's a real old one, old system. Some of these old zone dampers, I mean, they're just crusty. Oh man, we're a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I'm not a big fan of zone dampers. I mean, I'd rather put a system in and balance it properly, and you won't need zone dampers. But people put them in to try to save money on the systems, you know. Gotta put two systems in. They want to put one system in with zone dampers. You're always better off without the zone dampers. You're cutting the flow down. You're cutting the flow. You know, say you got two zone dampers. You're cutting the flow for the system in half when you shut one damper off. Unless you get bypasses, a lot of times around here they don't even have that. But anyway, we'll go over there, we'll see what's going on with it. See if we can figure out what's going on with it. Automatic, and this one's off.
Yeah, everything's off now.
Alright, let's look at the one upstairs. Is it blank?
Yeah.
Alright, let me grab a couple of batteries out of the truck for it. Same kind?
I don't know what time it takes.
Let's take a look. Now, how long do you go to Florida for? A couple of months? I mean, you can't go down there all summer. It gets hot, huh?
7 months.
Too hot then in summer?
Yeah.
Flipping hot. I can't take the heat.
Usually.
Better off up here, no?
Yeah.
Cooler. Yeah, it's the same thing. You need batteries. It's batteries right there.
Okay. Triple A.
AAA. You got any? If not, I can grab some out of the truck.
I'll probably got some.
You got some?
I think so.
And then we'll try it again. That might be what your issue is.
Oh, we got the AAA battery?
AAA.
AAA. 2 of them?
Yeah. There's a couple of screws loose, Mom. That might be what our problem is. It says service, so maybe it's that. We're going to put new batteries in it for this guy and see what happens. Oh, it's starting to get all chooched. AAA! Alright, I'll grab some. I keep batteries in here. In the Superman pouch. I got 4, 2 for the first floor unit also. That's what it was. You're gonna have to set the clock and all that shit and all the time, but yeah, we could put it on hold for now.
We run on manual.
You run on manual?
It doesn't matter, I guess, right? Yeah, we just run on manual.
You know how to go in and set all the clocks and all that shit?
No, I don't even want to set the clocks. We just run them.
Alright, so right now we got it off. Yeah. We got it on automatic. And you said the fan was running all the time downstairs?
Yeah, but this wasn't registered or anything, but...
Alright, let's go check it downstairs. It might have just been that the batteries were bad, right? And it was throwing everything off. Let's check.
Okay.
Let's go look. So now, right now, the fan should be running downstairs with everything off, right?
Did you turn the fan on here?
I left it off. No, I want to leave it off. You said the fan was running with nothing on.
No, but actually this one was on, but there was nothing registered, but this was on the fan. So
was it on fan on?
Yeah, the fan. I think the fan's okay. I think my grandson put it on.
Well, we want to leave it on automatic. Well, let's go downstairs and see if anything's working. Nothing should be working downstairs. Because the complaint was, you called me, you said the thing was running with nothing hooked up. Everything was off and the fan kept running, right?
It was running.
All right, let me get my tools.
Off down here, but I didn't go upstairs because
That's a humidifier.
it says service. Am I supposed
Yeah.
to go into with that?
Might be no water going to it.
I never used it.
You never used it?
Nah. So just ignore that. That's got nothing to do with the furnace.
Well, it probably needs to be cleaned, but this is not the zone damper.
Okay. Try
Where's the thing you said the fan was running all the time?
the fan. This fan was running all the time.
Oh, you got zone dampers right here.
Yeah.
Where's the zone damper control?
I have no idea where the zone damper control is.
It's right there. It's on the wall. See it?
But the fan was running downstairs.
All right, so the fan's not running anymore. There's a zone damper control right there, EWC. It looks fine to me, guy.
Okay.
You just needed batteries.
That humidifier has got nothing to do with the furnace. That what you're telling
Well, that puts moisture in
Yeah.
come winter time.
me? If you wanted
It needs to be serviced.
Okay.
You do have zone dampers there. All right, so it's probably just batteries.
Okay.
This thing probably needs to be serviced. It's probably all dirty.
I don't. Does this even work?
I have no idea. I mean, the thing probably needs to come all apart. Cleaning required. Seems to be emptied. It's probably all full of junk. It's going to need to be all cleaned out and whatnot. But you're not going to use that anyway.
I don't use it, so I have no idea what the hell it was.
It says empty, service, cleaning required, drain.
Okay, I don't worry about it. If it doesn't affect.
I have to do that before the fall, you know.
I'm not going to use it. I don't use it in the winter, so
You don't?
no.
All right. So